Here's a quick video on how to create breakout rooms in BlueJeans. All you need to do is scheduling more sessions depending on how many breakout rooms you need. You come on to BlueJeans, click on schedule, give it a title, breakout room 1, give it a description if you like. This is for group 1. Add the date and the time you need for this session to be held. Make sure moderator required is unchecked. And here you switch from invite all the course members and just invite the people you want in this breakout room. So in this case, I want student 1, which is the name of my students, and add that, and then click save. Now we have breakout room 1. Let's schedule one for breakout room 2. Breakout 2. This is group 2. Again, probably you want to keep this the same date and time as the other one if this is the for the group that they're going to be working at the same time. Moderator required is not checked, and then we uncheck the invite all course members and add student 2 in this one. There we go. Click save. As you can see now, we have 2 breakout rooms for 2 different groups. Again, you can add as many students into these groups. You can create as many as you want. It's just you need to go and schedule a new one. And also you are able to edit this before the time of this session. So is this one starting at 10:50? You can still go in and edit this times and add more students if you want. So right now here I have only 2 people in this one. You can still add more people to it and click save and have a different have more people into this course. We don't need to do this for this one. We are all good. This is right now, it's on the time, so now everything is joined and they're not editable anymore. You're all set. Your students will have 2 different breakout rooms. They only get invites if they're added to that group, and they will only see that one in their site. At this point you might ask, how would I check on my student progress in each breakout room? This is very simple. You can actually join all the rooms at the same time and having open in your browser, or join one and leave and then join the other one and just check on each students on each groups. Let's go ahead and join one of these rooms. So I'm joining breakout room 1. You might notice that I actually have the BlueJeans app on my desktop, and because of that, BlueJeans decided to open this on my app. It's no problem. You can either join with the your app, or you can choose the browser. So as you can see, I'm going to minimize this. You do actually have the option to join the meeting with your browser. So let's see what happens when we click this. As you can see, you will join the same room in your browser. And again, I will ask you if you want to allow the system to use your camera and your headset, and I say allow. We don't need to connect to this. This is it as you always join. I'm already on the phone. Let's cancel our video and let's join this meeting. So this is on breakout room 1. As you can see, I actually have this open on my browser as well. You don't need to be on both of these. You can just join on one of these. So let me close the app and be on the browser. Okay, so we're in breakout room 1. Let's go to breakout room 2. Again, we join the meeting. Again, BlueJeans app might try to open this. Let's just stop that from happening. Let's just join with the browser. here we go. Now in both breakouts, again, we're going to allow the system to use. And as the student's going to be talking in these breakout rooms, this might be a little bit confusing for you as you can hear everything from both of these rooms. One of the things you can do is actually, you can mute each of these sessions by clicking on this speaker icon on the top and mute those so you won't be able to hear those anymore. Also, another thing that you have to keep in mind is if you want to leave a room, if you click end call, it actually gives you the option to drop everyone from this call. You don't need to do this. You can just leave the room without, unless you want the meeting to be over at the time you're leaving. I'm going to leave this as is and just leave. And close this one, and I'm still on the other one. Let's see if we want to leave this one. Also, you can decide to maybe close this after 10 minutes. Maybe you give your students some time to work on something and they got 15 minutes to do it. So let's say in 15 minutes, drop everybody from this and they'll be done. So let's do that for this one, and I leave and I close and I'm back into it. Again, you can join back any of these meetings once you close it, and you can go and take a look at and check the progress of the students.